everyone, I'm Tavia, the Director of Operations here at SPM Residential Services.
And I'm Jill, Senior Property Manager here at SPM Residential Services.
And we wanted to talk to you today a little bit about the value of routine property reviews. One of the most effective ways we can protect your investment is through routine property reviews. They kind of help us to proactively identify maintenance issues before they escalate. This could be clogged gutters or slow HVAC drainage. They can cause thousands of dollars in damage if they're not caught ahead of time, which is kind of the benefit of these reviews.
One of the other things I look for as a property manager are any other unauthorized people that are living in the property. If they are, then we try and get those people out. I also look for unauthorized pets that are in the property.
Sure. Yeah, it's a good chance to kind of check in on your tenants and make sure that there's no lease violations. You also receive a detailed photo report with notes made by your property manager. So that kind of leaves any guesswork out of the picture. You know exactly what's happening in your property, what it looks like, and kind of any notes, concerns, or recommendations from your manager.
I will also add that we check the backside of any smoke detectors just to confirm that they're in date. Same with carbon monoxide, just making sure that they are in date and that they are working. One of the other things we check is that HVAC filter to make sure the tenants are actually changing the filter.
You don't have to wait for something to go wrong in your property in order to be up to date on what's happening. With property reviews, we have a chance to really get in the house, check it out, see things like the filter, like the appliances, and make sure everything is up and running well.
One of the other things we check that's really helpful with property reviews are how the landscaping looks and how the lawn looks. And we also take pictures of appliance model and serial numbers. So should something happen, we're able to figure out the age of the appliance and if it's something that needs to be repaired or replaced later in the year.
Our property reviews are just a great way to protect your investment. We have multiple plans for property reviews. Some owners choose to do twice a year, and some choose to do quarterly inspections just to get even more insight into what's going on with their home. If you're interested in upping your program or want more information, definitely reach out to your property manager and we can get that over to you.